So welcome to today's bike ride. It's overcast today. It's probably about 7 degrees C. Perfect day for a bike ride, really. Perfect weather, and it's perfect cycling because I bought myself a new base layer. I bought myself a Craft Active Extreme base layer, and it's turning out to be pretty good. Yeah, so if I pair this Craft Active Extreme X base layer with my Allier jacket, it's almost perfect for this weather. Like I said, it's about 7 degrees. I've just cycled up a bit of a hill. I've warmed up now, but I'm not overly hot. And this one base layer will really take the place of what I've been wearing before, which is a t-shirt and then a thin summertime jacket, and then this Allier jacket on top. So I've replaced those layers now with just this single Craft base layer. It's a nice material. It's sort of a waffle weave type material, and it's tight fitting, and it's really warm, and I'm really happy with it. So size wise, I'm 5'11" and about 13.5 stone, which is nearly 100 kilos, I think. Hard to believe, I know, but it's true. And I bought the extra large in this base layer, and it fits absolutely perfectly. Thank you, Wiggle. So the hill that I've just climbed is called Iffin Lane, and it comes out of South Canterbury near the hospital. I've only been back on my bike really for the last couple of months, let's say 2 months, and when I first started, that hill was an absolute killer. It's one of those really long, draining ascents that really takes it out of your lungs and your legs. And 2 months ago, I'd have to get to the top of that hill, and I'd have to stop right here for about 10 minutes just to get my legs and my breathing back in order. After 2 months, I've basically just flown up that hill. There's no wind, so I'm not wind assisted, but it just shows you, if you get out on your bike, if you start doing a bit of training, your fitness soon comes back, and before you know it, you're flying up the hills. So let's head to Gardiner's Green. There's a huge hill there, and let's see how quickly I get up that one. That's a fantastic view, all the way down to the top of Petham and the start of the hill into Gardiner's Green. So heading down that hill. This is a beautiful cycle ride, and that's the first other cyclist I've seen for weeks. Maybe I've started something. Let's see if I can catch him up. Go on. He's got trousers on, a lightweight. 5 degrees. It's summertime up north. Nice bit of a hill, a nice descent back into Canterbury. Shake some of the mud off. So, a last few words on the Craft Active Extreme X base layer I'm showing you. I've got to say that really there's usually a lot of bullshit spoken about, you know, equipment, it'll keep you warm, it'll keep you dry, it'll do this, do that. But really this is a really nice base layer, in my opinion. It's probably about 5 degrees today. There's a lot of wind chill as well, and it's kept me warm. My whole cycle ride, I haven't been too hot, so perhaps it does breathe as well, I don't know. But I've got to say, for the price, it's a really good bit of clothing. I think it was about £20 from Wiggle. I'm really impressed with it. So impressed, in fact, I'm going to buy another one in black this time. So, signing off. I'll see you at the next one. All the best.